Today we're going to be making some cinnamon rolls. First up, these are the ingredients. We need 1/3 cup of sugar, granulated. We need some cinnamon. We're not going to measure this because we're supposed to add this to the sugar, and you can add as much as you like. Then we need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, some powdered sugar for the glaze, vanilla, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, and then some Kodiak flapjack mix. Okay, so we take our milk and then put a teaspoon of vanilla in it. And mix. Now add a cup of that Kodiak mix into a bowl. Now slowly pour the milk and knead with one hand until it becomes like a nice dough batter, a smooth one. So I'm gonna pour some of the milk. See my dough? This is how it should look like. Now we're gonna put some butter.
Melted. Yeah.
Melted, of course. Inside to smoothen it out and loosen it. Out there. Mix, mix, mix. Right now I'm pushing the dough so all the butter can get. As you can see, there's still some butter remaining. I've mixed all the butter in my dough. Now I'm going to spread it on the board into like a log shape and then cut it. See, I'm making my log shape and now we have to flatten it a little bit. And now it's time to cut. Because our log is a bit thick.
And then
We
make.
need to cut it like that. Now we have to cut lengthwise, like this. Separate each part and put it back in the bowl. It's okay if the dough balls are not at the same size. Now we're going to take our sugar and add as much as cinnamon powder as we like and mix. Make the cinnamon sugar. I've made my cinnamon sugar. Now I'm going to put it into the dough balls.
Yeah. Put all of it. Like at least half of it quickly.
As you can see, I poured my sugar into the dough balls. Now you want to, gently, so the dough balls don't break, mix the cinnamon sugar into the dough balls. So these are my dough balls, and now we're going to lay them into the baking tray. Make sure they have some room so they can expand properly. Okay, so now we're going to put our dough balls into the air fryer.
At
350 degrees for 10 minutes. Be careful.
and start the air fryer.
Now let's make the glaze. Right now we're going to add our leftover milk to some of our powdered sugar. If there's not enough milk, you can add more. My glazing is now ready. I'm now going to plate it. My dough balls are ready. They're out of the air fryer, but now they're hot, so I got to take them out with the thong. Remember to take them out with the thong because they are very hot when they come out of the air fryer. I'm going to take out 3, and now we're going to drizzle our glaze. As you can see right now, I'm drizzling my glaze. Nice and steady on top. Let me try it and tell you how they turned out. They're not bad. They're actually pretty good.